Social media is a great way to connect, but it's also full of scammers looking to trick people out of their money and personal information. From fake giveaways to phishing attacks, scammers are getting smarter, and you could be their next target. In this video, we'll show you how to avoid scams, legally protect yourself, and take action if you've been scammed. Welcome to Everyday Legal Guide. If you're new here, hit that subscribe button and turn on notifications so you don't miss important legal tips. Before we talk about legal protections, let's first recognize the most common social media scams. Top 5 social media scams. Phishing links. Scammers send fake messages pretending to be banks, PayPal, or social media platforms, asking for your login info. Example, your account has been compromised. Click here to reset your password. It's a scam. Fake giveaways and prizes. Fraudsters claim you've won something but ask for money or personal details first. Example, congratulations, you won an iPhone, just pay a small shipping fee. Investment and crypto scams. Scammers promise fast profits but disappear once you send money. Example, invest $500 today and get $5,000 in a week. Online shopping scams. Fake stores trick buyers into paying for non-existent products. Example, limited time offer, luxury bags for $30, they never deliver. Romance and catfishing scams. Scammers pretend to be in love but just want your money. Example, I love you, but I need money for an emergency. Now that we know the common scams, let's talk about how to protect yourself legally. 1. Verify before you click. Don't open suspicious links or messages from unknown senders. 2. Report scams immediately. Most social media platforms allow you to report fake accounts, phishing messages, and scam ads. 3. Use two-factor authentication, 2FA. This adds extra security to your accounts. 4. Never share personal or financial info online. Scammers use stolen data for identity theft. 5. Check for official verification. Real companies and influencers have verified checkmarks. If you've been scammed, don't just sit back. Here's how to take legal action. What to do if you get scammed. 1. Report the scam to authorities. Philippines Cybercrime Division, NBI and PNP Anti-Cybercrime Group. Dial 1343. South Korea, Korea Internet and Security Agency, KISA. Dial 118. USA Federal Trade Commission, FTC. Visit ReportFraud.ftc.gov. Europe, Europol Cybercrime Division. Other countries, check your national cybercrime reporting agency. 2. Contact your bank or credit card provider. If you made a payment, immediately request a chargeback or dispute the transaction. 3. Gather evidence. Screenshot messages, payment receipts, and scam profiles. 4. File a legal complaint. If a scam caused significant financial loss, consider hiring a cybercrime lawyer to take legal action. Social media scams are everywhere, but now you know how to spot them, protect yourself, and take legal action if needed. Have you ever encountered a scam online? Share your story in the comments below. And if you found this video helpful, make sure to like, subscribe, and hit the bell icon for more legal tips from Everyday Legal Guide. Stay safe, stay informed, and see you in the next episode.